Marriage can often feel like a battlefield, where love is tested through offensive and defensive tactics. But what if we told you there's a way to turn this war into a lasting peace? Marriage, a union of two souls, is often romanticized as a journey filled with love, joy, and companionship. However, the reality can sometimes be starkly different. The day-to-day challenges, misunderstandings, and conflicts can make it feel like a battlefield. In this battlefield, each partner may feel the need to defend their territory, protect their interests, and sometimes launch an offensive to make their point heard. This constant struggle can be exhausting and can take a toll on the relationship. Imagine a couple standing in their kitchen, the air thick with tension. They are arguing about something seemingly trivial, but the underlying issues run much deeper. The kitchen, once a place of shared meals and laughter, has now become a war zone. Each word spoken is like a weapon, each silence a shield. The love that once brought them together now seems to be the very thing tearing them apart. But what if we told you that this battlefield doesn't have to be a place of constant conflict? What if there was a way to transform this war into a lasting peace? The key lies in understanding that marriage, like any relationship, requires effort, patience, and a willingness to grow together. It's about learning to communicate effectively, to listen with empathy, and to resolve conflicts in a healthy manner. Conflict resolution is an essential skill in any marriage. It involves understanding the root cause of the conflict, expressing your feelings without blaming your partner, and finding a solution that works for both parties. It's about turning the kitchen back into a place of shared meals and laughter, rather than a war zone. It's about realizing that you and your partner are on the same team, not opposing sides. Effective communication is another crucial aspect. It's not just about talking, but about listening. Listening to understand, rather than to respond. It's about being present in the moment and truly hearing what your partner has to say. It's about validating their feelings, even if you don't agree with them. It's about finding common ground and building on it. Empathy plays a significant role in transforming the battlefield into a place of peace. It's about putting yourself in your partner's shoes and seeing things from their perspective. It's about understanding their fears, their insecurities, and their dreams. It's about being there for them, even when it's difficult. It's about showing them that you care, not just through words, but through actions. Marriage is not just about love, but about partnership. It's about working together to build a life that you both can be proud of. It's about supporting each other through the highs and lows and celebrating each other's successes. It's about being each other's biggest cheerleader and strongest support system. So the next time you find yourself in the midst of a conflict, remember that it's not about winning or losing. It's about finding a way to move forward together. It's about turning the battlefield into a place of peace, where love can thrive. It's about building a marriage that can withstand the test of time and emerge stronger on the other side. In this series, we will explore various strategies and techniques to help you navigate the challenges of marriage. We will delve into the art of communication, the importance of empathy, and the power of conflict resolution. We will provide you with practical tips and insights to help you build a strong, healthy, and lasting relationship. So, stay tuned and let's embark on this journey together. By adopting these strategies, you can turn your marriage from a battlefield into a haven of love and understanding. It's not about winning the war, it's about nurturing your bond. Turn the tide of your marriage battles. Don't let another moment slip away. Click below to discover proven strategies to get your ex back and reignite your relationship.